Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from checkout.com to bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from checkout.com to your bank account, first, log into your checkout.com account. Navigate to the balance or payouts section on your dashboard. Here, you will see your available balance and options for withdrawal. Select the option for withdrawal or payout. You may need to verify your identity if prompted. Choose the bank account you want to withdraw to. If you haven't added a bank account yet, click on Add a Bank Account and enter the required details. Confirm that all entered information is correct before proceeding. Once your bank account is selected, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and bank account information. If everything looks correct, click on the Withdraw or Submit button to initiate the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Check your email for a confirmation email regarding your withdrawal. The processing time for withdrawals may vary, typically taking a few business days. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the Transaction Histories section. Once processed, the funds will be credited to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, visit the support section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.